7:40 in the morning, Sunday, June 23rd. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. I saw the Arroyo Colorado has a lot of water, so I'm gonna, oh wow. Alright, so check this out. Normally, I can just step right there, but I can't. Look at how much water this thing has, and the current is really strong. So let me. Wow, there's a lot of scales here. So somebody caught a good sized fish. Let me set down my action camera. It's a lot of water here. Normally it's not this. Oh, it's not even over there. All this is usually low. Oh, there was a fish that jumped there. Hopefully the camera caught it. I want to show the current. Got a good size good paced current. Got a lot of water. If you see my last video, I was here 2 weeks ago. Water level was really low. It was lower a few feet than this. And this is just a tropical storm that hit in Mexico, Alberto. Well, it was Thursday, but it's been raining since Tuesday, on and off. Then we had the other disturbance, tropical moisture, because it was in a depression. And both of those dumped a lot of water. I don't think the camera can pick up the little whirlpools that you can. There's a lot of whirlpools. Don't want to get too close because it's very muddy. I don't want the ground to go down on me and take me down to the water. Normally here you would have been able to walk there. There's a piece of fish there. Bait. I can smell the dead fish. But I'm gonna cut the video here.